All right, everybody, we've got a ton of 4 o'clock games. We've got Georgia minus 10.5 against Mississippi. Make sure you get that game in. We've got Auburn plus 1.5 against Missouri, LSU plus 3.5 against Kentucky, Furman minus 1.5 against Samford, Southern Miss plus 8.5 against Troy, Sam Houston minus 0.5 against Jackson State, Coastal Carolina plus 8.5 against Marshall, Kinshaw State minus the 5.5 against Florida International, Iona minus 7.5 against Rider, Winnipeg minus 6.5 against St. Peter's, Fairfield minus 6.5 against Manhattan, Niagara plus 2.5 against Canisius, Siena minus 8.5 against Sacred Heart, Pitt blows out Georgia Tech, lay the 1.5, Gardner Webb plus the 13.5 against Radford, Presbyterian plus 12.5 is a good pick. Upstate plus 6.5 against Charleston Southern, Colorado plus the 8.5 against Cincinnati, Tulsa minus 3.5 against Charlotte. We definitely like LaSalle plus the 8.5 against Richmond. Davidson plus 10.5 against George Washington. St. Bonnie's blows out St. Joe's minus the 1.5. We like Colgate minus the 8.5 against Loyola, Maryland. Illinois State minus 6.5 against Indiana State's a great play. Louisiana Tech plus 3.5 against Middle Tennessee State. Missouri State plus 6 against Western Kentucky is a great pick. Also Tulane plus 1.5 against UAB. So let's roll. Subscribe.